Good morning, everybody. We're here at Barrett sale. I'm gonna watch the carnage later. Here we go, Barrett sale. I want to see people fight. And I was sat about an hour in traffic. Look at the gentlemen. They're all nice paced, not fighting it. I want to see the carnage like Black Friday.
Oh, you brought an escort.
I did. Look, they're not running. What's wrong with you people? Carnage. Go through the side gate over there. Run through.
I think you're right.
There's Gonzalo. Hey, Gonzalo. Look how nicely walked people are. Look at the pots. Michael Jonas. Look at pots. Look at these people. Look at the price. What price?
Look at the price. Oh my God. These Jim Barrett pots.
People are just running for pots. Look at that. Do I need a pot? No, I don't need a pot. I'm just looking around. Good morning. Look at these pots. Beautiful pots. Hey. Oh, look at this.
Yes.
Some bigger pots. Look at that.
That's a 22 by 15.
Some much older, bigger pots. Look at that. Nice, beautiful pots.
I think so.
Look at these people. This is kind of fun to watch. The carnage happen. Everyone's fighting. It's no fun. Oh yeah, it's great when people fight. Oh yeah. It's a Jim Barrett pot. It's really unusual.
Yeah. It just has little, if you look, it has little.
Thin wall. They're all Jim Barrett pots. This is a different one. That's brass. Oh look, we gotta go into the container.
These are the crack pots.
Oh, I see. Crack pots are the best ones, man.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
There's only a few in there, but we
That's a sweet one.
Yeah, you want to
Some
lift that?
crack pots.
Sure.
Look at that.
Yeah, that one I like a lot.
Oh, there's cracked again.
No, that's a
there's a
crack,
crack pot.
but that's all right. That's fine.
Other stuff they have in here.
That's a good crack.
Here's
How
some
about the
fun
round ones down there?
Oh look,
So these are crack pots he has. Very cool. This is where he stored most of his pots. So if you didn't know, Jim Barrett was a potter. Let's go with that one more time. This is Mary. Mary's helping out today. How did it go this morning, setting up this morning?
Actually, they set up for the last 3 days.
Oh
I
my
just
goodness.
came to,
Help out.
yep, and schmooze around with people.
Oh, that's awesome to hear.
Rocks over there.
Thank you, Mary, for helping out today.
Container,
You're
rocks in
welcome.
there.
I'm still go shopping. I haven't found anything I like. I must buy.
But there's some gorgeous pots, so.
Well, the problem is it's not the gorgeous pot. The problem is by having a tree for the pot. That's the hardest part.
Why don't you
I know that.
trees?
I know that well.
You can go to Kimura Nursery and get all the trees you want.
See, this guy knows what he's doing. Bob came back from Nationals there, a long trip. I'm surprised he's here, not tired and sleeping.
Did Doyle make it back or did he walk?
There's a sweet bone. Look at that.
Oh, is
This
this
was
one
from
of the
the-
crack pots?
Yeah, but
Oh,
it's
but who
very,
cares?
very slight. Look at that.
Oh,
It's nothing.
look at that glaze. Gorgeous.
Awesome pot.
And it's a suiban for a rock.
Yeah, gorgeous.
And Jim made it.
Hey Joe,
Hey, Tom, you made it.
I made it after an hour
Brought your
drive.
sidekick?
My
All right.
sidekick, look, he's right there, my sidekick. It's in the shadow.
Yeah.
Hey, Joe, did you buy it? Did you pick up anything? No?
No.
See, the problem is with pots is you have to have a tree.
That's exactly right.
Those four are sold. Those are sold. Those are sold.
You do? I never knew that rule. You should see all the pots in my yard.
I was just wondering about this glove.
You can have that.
I'm going to shut off so I can go shopping
Yeah,
really quick.
yeah.
Okay, it's stones. Rocks
Great sign, bigger than the hand, $5.
bigger than hand, $5. Other than that, they're kind of cool rocks. You got a lot of different. They're like lace rocks. Are they lace rocks? Granite. Jim does suiseki too, so he enjoys stones. 3 small rocks. Look at 3 small rocks. Look, that's like that's like lava. That's almost like lava. Very different types.
$5 bigger than your hand. A small $3.
I thought that one's kind of cool. Like some texture on that one. I want some texture on it.
Yes, definitely.
That looks like almost like an axe head. Nathan, that looks like an axe head. Oh, that's kind of cool. I think that's really cool. It's almost like a plateau. It's a keeper. There's one stone. I gotta visit my stone. I gotta show you people the stone that every time I visit Jim and Helen, I'll walk over there really quick. Show you the stone I always. We joke around I bought that stone like 10 years ago and I still visit it. And hold that on, kiddo. More stones?
Oyster.
Oh, I think that one's been cut. Shoot.
That is an oyster shell. That's really cool. Check that out. That's kind of fun. That'll be added to our fossil collection at school. That's a cool. Look at a bucket. Other stones.
Clam?
Is that a clam?
Looks like it might be.
Oh yeah, it is a clam. That's really. You're really good.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Don't tell them about it.
It's all a secret. And 10,000 people are watching this video. That's an oyster.
Witness protection program, you can't say my face.
I won't. You got your voice though. And your voice is.
Ooh, that's neat.
Go get a empty can in here, kiddo.
Yeah, I'll just encourage him.
Well, that's kind of cool. I can make a die out of that. That's a Namako. Nice old 70s Namako. That's unusual. Cute round. That's a Maki from the 70s.
Gold in the top.
I know. Does he do that?
No, this is a
Jim Barrett. Last part, last one.
Japanese pot, I guess.
No, I don't know who made it.
Yeah.
What's the price?
Yeah, this is
Not bad. It's but I'm a little bit like.
Those are people picked up. This is kind of fun watching what people picked up. What are people picked up here? It's kind of fun. They're hawking their wares.
How are you? I haven't seen you in a while.
Good, dude. How you doing, Barry?
Normally people.
Yes. How do you want to make it like bigger?
Funny is, I have a tree this size. Hey, Joe.
Yes.
You think my trident will fit in that?
Your what?
My trident?
You got big trident.
I think my trident's bigger than that.
think it's wider than that.
Yeah, I think my trident's bigger than that.
I think it's
Orange
wider.
rose, I
Because
think.
what's going to happen, you're going to have to cut the root down to get it in
Yeah, I
here.
know. Mine's
And then you won't have any growing room.
Yeah.
Damn, that's a big tree.
It's got a base on it. We call it Java the Hutt.
No, that's the ficus.
Oh, the ficus.
That's the beast.
Oh, yeah.
The beast?
That big trident you were working on at the...
Yeah.
No, that won't fit in there.
These are enormous.
Yeah.
It's just gorgeous.
I said I had a trident to fit, but I was like,
No,
I don't
that-
think it's too shallow. See, that's too small for my trident.
Yeah.
That's still too small.
What's going on?
Not much, man.
Long time.
No, I'm always around. You guys see me online all day long.
Yeah.
I don't go online.
You should.
You know I should. All right. I thank you.
Okay.
You're so nice.
Well, I say take them when you see them. They're not going to be there.
Oh, they'll be here. You won't have them.
You know, they have like the mold and everything.
No, I know they're a plant, but I'm just saying it's beautiful
Yeah, it has a nice little peak.
that little corner.
Patina already. Well, they should bury this one. Yes.
So, right in the middle. That's the stone we kind of goof off about. It's a chrysanthemum stone. Apparently, it's from Vancouver Island. So it's a running joke that every single time I come by and visit, I visit my stone. But yeah, there's some really cool stones here still. Can't wait to come back and visit.
It's a while ago, whenever I wanted to show it, you know,
One more last
it
round.
covers a lot of that stuff.
Right. Yeah, that stuff you're gonna, the real crusty stuff you wanna, get off.
One last
If you
round
just
here.
have little, like this.
Very calm sail this morning. All right. I think that's it. If you guys want to come down, they're still open till day, Saturday. If you're looking for some pots, it's time to do it. Like and subscribe. See you guys later.